start recording this thing because we got, my name's Rob Helmick and this is Maria, and we made, over $400,000 in the last 117 days. Today's the 117th day trading in our experiment in the $1 Million account. And so we just started this recording again. So we were bunched out. So I just want to give a little intro to what we're doing. So let's take a look and see. Here's where we are in real time right now. We're up about, oh no, we're dead even. We were up a little bit. Now we're dead even. We're up $200 for the day. We're going to be trading around 200 trades per day. This is where we are in since October 1st, the last 117 trading days. This is my actual account. And so let's go ahead and take a look at our chat room to see what they're doing on this boat, because we were going back and forth. The time is now 3:48. At 3:51, the chat room is going to decide whether we do a put credit spread or a call credit spread. So let's take a look, see where are we. Looking like a put credit spread. We've got some votes come. Does that 400,000 include CI or just SPX? That's just SPX. That's just SPX 0DTE. That's based on a $1 million account that started 117 trading days ago, and it is compounded. So what happens is, like today, I would have put on because it's up 400,000. I would put on $1.4 million worth of 0DTE SPX. Likewise, in the small account, which is right here, and if in the small account, which is $30,000, it's up what, $13,000, $14,000 on 3,000 trades, and this one's about 17,000 trades. So this one also is, so today we would have put on around 45,000 buying power of 0DT SPX trades, right? So, okay, let's go back to the poll here.
Question from Lewis.
How does the second roll work if tested? The logic, however, wouldn't that mean that you're now underwater on the original trade? Oh yeah, the logic is exactly the same. You just keep rolling it down and out until you can get that 25% profit.
But you are acknowledging your first loss.
Yeah, you're taking the loss, but you're getting so much.
You should get a credit, and
Correct.
that will compensate for that loss, and then some. Correct?
Yeah, just have a little iced tea because I'm getting nervous about this trade here coming up. All right.
I always say roll for a credit. If you roll for a debit, you're acknowledging that loss and taking an additional loss.
That is correct, madam. That is very smart. That's why she's a former banker. That's why she made $4 million her first year trading options. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty easy. Turns out she's a way better trader than me also. Okay, so here we go. In 3, 2, I'm about ready to end the poll. Anybody else? 42 votes. How about that? And anyone else? All in. Anyone else want to vote? Sorry, too late. Boom, poll has ended. And the poll is, yes, you are stuck. You're absolutely right, Twisted Trader. You are stuck in that trade. No doubt about it. That's, we're going to just keep rolling along until we get out of that trade. And that's why we only use 30% of the buying power. Okay, what are we doing here? We're doing a put credit spread. All right, so first of all, let's go and do this. Let's take a look at the tasty screen. We want to put this onto this. We want to put this on. This is the actual SPX, and you can see what that is. We are going to bring over this onto, so now you can see this is where our trade will go. It is now, Barbie is pretty excited. We got 10 seconds to go. Now, by the way, guys, what's going to happen here is the market on close. These guys, all these kids, there's a market on close order came out. Look how much down that goes. There we are, 1551. No. And so now we're going to go over here. We're going to put this trade on. And this is I want to make sure that this is not the right trade. So I want to go strategies. Boom. I'm going to go 51. Just a second here. We're going to do a put, right, Maria? Put. And
put right there.
Is that the put? For $1.80. Okay, and we're going to rock it in. And here we go in 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, now we should see that trade. And look at that. There we got a fill. How about that? For $215 times 3. So we're in there for $645, and we're at 63.55. 63.55 is the number. It's a put credit spread. Is that what I said? Mm-hmm. Put credit spread. So we want it to stay above 63.55. 63.55 is right there. Boom. All right. So that is the game. 63.55. And that's, if it stays above there, we are going to win $645. If it's down below.
Internet again?
Internet again? No, internet's good. Negative MOC.
Oh, it's
Market on
internet.
close. Internet. Internet, really? Time decay? Internet? I think it's working okay. Should be. It says it's working okay. Hopefully, can everybody hear me? Have fun buying into a free fall. Robert Kelly says, have fun buying into a free fall. Yeah, well, this is what you guys are talking about.
Yeah.
This is a falling knife. Here's the good news is, what is the record for the chat room? It's pretty good.
Oh, I lost count, honestly.
It's pretty good. It was 9 and
I want to say 9 and 3 or 4.
I want to say 9 and 3. Yeah, I want to say 9 and 3. I got to tell you, we have looked at this thing and we think around our house, we say the market is 50-50. That's what we always say. It's you can't know, you don't know, and you'll never know. And all we do is we just trade against the herd. The herd goes left, we go right. The herd goes right, we go left, right? All good, done, and good video. Who voted on put spread? I don't know who did on put spread, but man, oh man, look at these guys. We are making money today. How about that? Look at that thing. Are you kidding me? It's normally not this easy. Of course, it's not over yet. It's, oh man, we're only 2 minutes into this thing. Give me a break. We're at 53 and 30 seconds. So, but right now, this looks pretty good. Normally what happens, so here's what happens is, the market on close information, MOC information, comes out at exactly 1550. So there's a bunch of traders that will trade in that direction based on that stuff. And we're just contrarian. So we typically will just go the other way. Normally when I do a 1551, I'll go the other way. You guys apparently agree, right? You guys agree. Look at this, Maria. Look at this thing going up. That's pretty sweet. Now, let's see where we are with regards to our options. This is our real time. Oh, look at this.
What?
We're up $6,000. We're up $7,000.
Oh.
Wasn't it just even a second ago?
200.
Yeah. It's not over. This is not over. There we go. Easy, Barbie, easy. So here's a small account. I say small. $30,000 is not small. It's still a lot of money. Oh, you get treats today if we win, sweetheart. How about that? And you too, Barbie. We were having too much fun to be. Hey, look. If you guys aren't having fun trading, then you got to find something else to do. This is not tough stuff. If you're not having fun, then you're betting too big. You just bet smaller, and there's no shame in that whatsoever. I would say our life changed for the good, wouldn't you? When we just went small, when we used less buying power, it's less worry.
Especially today. I mean, I'm at 25%.
Yeah.
At this point.
Are you going to go a little bit more?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for another. I'm waiting for the disaster.
So let's go to this. I want to
one tweet away from a disaster, too.
One tweet away from a disaster. Okay, you know what? This is a trading show. Let's do some trading. I want to get me some cues. We got a little bit of time here. Let's do this. I know I'm going to move away from our chart, but it's a trading show. By golly, let's do some friggin' trades, right? Am I right or am I right? Now it's only down 450. Wasn't it down 500 just a second ago? Team, I don't ever get a break. You guys ever watch the show Landman, one of my favorite shows? He's like, come on, God, give me a break. Give me something. Are you kidding me? All right, let's do this. What do you think, Maria? I mean, it's only a couple minutes to go. It's down 450. What do we got? What
are you going to do?
I was thinking about selling up Crazy Ivan before the close. I want to.
It already went up.
I know it went up, but I'm going to put in something. How about 242? That's got to be a sign, right? I know you wouldn't bother, but let's live a little. And these are typical. We're getting 13,008 in buying power. I'm going to get 4,800 in credit. I'll close it out if I make $1,000, $1,250. That normally takes 14 days. We're going to put this order, boom, boom, ba-doom. And that order is a trading show. We're trading. So that order is in. I might come back for just a little bit lower, but you know what? I got two today. That's probably going to be. Look at this. Is this the same trade? No. All right. So let's take a look back at our chart. We're going to go back to the SPX. And where's our chart on an SPX?
What's window dressing Monday, Tuesday?
Window dressing Monday, Tuesday?
What does that mean?
I don't know. What does that mean? Rob, we know why you really like Landman. Yeah, because I like oil. I do believe that's the greatest show ever. And I don't say that lightly. It's a show I really enjoy. I really, really enjoy. I think it's very well written. It's very, very funny.
You like the attorney, too.
I love the attorney, the old man attorney. He said, well, what in the world's going on? And the guy said, it must be a test from God. I like it when he walked out the door of the house and he said, you don't leave this house, you escape it. He just talks to himself. You don't leave this house, you escape it. So End of the month. Oh, end of the month is what he's saying. End of the month. Yeah. Next week is end of the month. So that's always a tricky business. However, I'll tell you, we back tested it. And for zero DTEs, the way we do is multiple entry iron condors and exponential moving averages. It tests just fine. For those of you that don't know, what we do every single weekend and what I do exactly is spend about 11 hours back testing. And there's 390 minutes in the trading day. I'm probably going to look at every 7 or 5 minutes. Then I'm going to look at 10 different premium price points. I'm going to look at 10 different stop losses. I'm going to look at 10 different wing widths. Around 97 million trades. I'll whittle that down to 7 million trades. We'll run the back test. We'll take the trade logs, put those 7 million into AI. She'll kick me back to 250 best trades based upon profit, loss, max drawdown, MAR, KGAR, and then the Sharpe ratio and the Sortino ratio. And then we have some internal ratios as well. She'll give me 250 of them. I'll look for some grouping, and then we'll take that out, whittle those down to say 200. We'll put that back into AI, look for risk tolerance because obviously the $1 million account, the $30,000 account are going to trade differently. The $30,000 account is going to have 50 wide wings, and the $1 million account we use 150 wide wings. So you make a little bit more bang for your buck on the $1 million account. But then the idea is that then we put those trades on, and we use Option Omega for the back testing and Option Omega for the trading. We like their tools. They're fast. They're easy to use. They're extremely detailed. And most importantly, it's really easy to go from a back test to the actual trading robot, right? And the robot is great. And it hooks into both Schwab and Tasty Trade, which is where we trade. Mm-hmm. So that's basically. Window dressing is financial strategy used by portfolio managers and companies to make portfolios or balance sheets appear stronger, usually at the end of a month, quarter, or a year. I am not familiar with that term.
No, I'm not.
This is what I love about the chat room. I gain so much information from the chat and from the Discord. We have a Discord. Please come in. It's a safe space. Maria and I are on there every day. We don't ask for anything on this channel. The only thing we ask is that you make comments in the videos, this one, as well as, by the way, if you think we're going to win today, hit me with a W. Let's see how many W's we can get. I want to see some W's. We got 23 seconds. Let's see some W's. I want to see some W's in the chat room. And would you please go on to some of our videos and make a comment? I will get back to you. You put the comment in the next 60 minutes. I will get back to you within 65 minutes. How about that? Have a great weekend, Maria and Robin, friends. Anybody out there that thinks we're going to be, what, another question? Look at all the W's coming. Here they come. Here come all the W's. Look at that. Winner, chicken dinner. We got those sons of
50-51. You missed one right there.
50-51.
Oh, it's going.
What's that?
Comment. You didn't read that one.
The
right
50-51 trade put on 60 seconds after the information release is a very interesting premise. How do you know which trade is statistically better? By doing millions of back tests. But I will tell you also, M Rider is the dirty little secret is I put that on today as I have for the past for just based on what the chat room tells us to do about their votes. And I don't know. Yeah, how about some hearts? Who's got hearts out there? Or how about some hundies? Look at me. I'm actually doing those. So it's more fun than anything for us. So now it is what was 9-3, now 10-3?
I think 4. 10-4.
So chat room's 10-4. All right, so we're gonna go get them next week. Anything else, Maria, before we sign off?
That is it.
We had a good show today. Thank you, everyone. We really, really appreciate it. The best payment you can give us is to make a comment in any of the videos that we do. Just say Barbie. That's all you got to do. Just go in some video, go in 3 today, tell your friends and say Barbie. If you do want to use Options Omega, we have a coupon for 50% off. They give us $15. We use the money to buy Barbie treats. If we get more than $150 in a month, we give that to the Humane Society. Last month, we got like $300, I saw. And then Tasty Trade, we have a coupon in there where you get 4%. So if you put in $100,000, they give you $4,000. This is real money. And they give us $250, and we just give that to the Humane Society to help people with pets. So if you want to help dogs and cats, use our coupons. You guys have a great trading weekend. Next week, we're going to do every single day at 3:25. We're going to do a morning show with Options Omega. Are you going to be in on that? Maybe. And that's at 9 o'clock, I believe, on Fridays. And then, Sunday at 3:55, we'll give you most of our trades, all the trades for the $30,000 account. We'll give you most of our trades for we'll give you 15 trades or so for the $1 million account. I hope you guys have a great trading weekend, and we'll see you 5:55 Sunday. 5:55 Sunday. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, what? What? You say goodbye? You didn't say goodbye?
Jesus, jumped all over you.
I know.
Boom. Bye, Barbie.
What? How about getting down now? No? Are we off?
Yep. views. That's almost double what we normally get. Let me go over here and stop it.